Hello students, myself Sonali. In today's video, we are going to continue Science 8th chapter, our nervous system. In the last video, we have seen what is nervous system, parts and the functions of the nervous system. Today, in this video, we are going to learn again few more topics of this chapter. From that, the first topic is there, that is voluntary and involuntary actions. Now, what is meant by voluntary action? So, actions which are controlled by an individual with the help of nervous system is called the voluntary actions. Then which are that actions? For example, like walking, standing, talking, singing, jumping, etc. These all are the examples of the voluntary actions because these actions are controlled by an individual with the help of nervous system. Now, second, it is involuntary actions. So students, involuntary actions means actions which are directly controlled by nervous system. An individual does not have any control over these involuntary actions. Okay? For examples, actions such as beating of our heart, breathing, digestion of food, formation of urine, etc. These all the actions are directly controlled by the nervous system. An individual does not have any control over this. Okay? Now next topic is there, that's a reflex action. So students, what is meant by reflex action then? Reflex action means a quick response to a stimulus. That is called the reflex action. At time, the body needs to respond quickly to avoid injuries. Such a time our body responds through this reflex action. Now let us understand more about this reflex action with the help of examples. Now students, you tell me, what happens when your finger is pricked by a pin? Yes, of course, you feel pain. Why do you feel pain? Because the sensory nerve in your finger senses the pain and quickly carries message to the spinal cord. The spinal cord acts quickly and sends back message to the arm muscles to move away arm. When a finger is pricked by a pin, hand is quickly moved away through this reflex action. In this case, the pricking of a pin is a stimulus and moving the hand away, that is a quick response. Okay. Now let's say again one example to understand more. So students, while walking, if you accidentally step on a throne, what will happen? You will feel the pain. So the nerves in the feet send the message to the spinal cord and the spinal cord immediately sends back message to the feet or to the foot and you quickly move the foot away from the throne. But sometimes the reflex actions are directly involve the brain. The blinking of the eyes when something move close to your eyes is the reflex action involving the brain. In this, there is no involvement of the spinal cord. Do you know students, the messages sent by the nervous system can travel from your brain to the tip of the feet nearly 100 times in 1 second. You see, so how much fast it will be work on. As you learn about the all these actions like voluntary, involuntary and reflex action, now let's turn towards the new topic of this chapter, that's the how do sense organs work. As you know the work of the sense organs, but now we are going to see how do sense organs work. So students, the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. These all are the sense organs, and these all the sense organs gather information from the surrounding and send to the brain. So now one by one we will see how does each sense organs work. Firstly we will see how do eyes work. Okay. So students, we see with our eyes, and each our eye has lens. So when we look an object, the light passes through the lens, form an image inside the eyes. So this image is converted into a message, and this message is carried to the brain by the nerves. The brain processes the information and help us to recognize that object or that thing. So this is the way we see with our eyes. Now the second sense organ, that's ears. So do you know how do ears work? As you all know, we hear with our ears, and inside in the ear there is present the eardrum, and this eardrum is a thin membrane. When a sound enters the ear, our eardrum vibrates, and the nerves present in the ear sense this vibration and carry the message to the brain. That time the brain processes the message and help us to be recognize the sound of that particular person. This is the way we may recognize the sounds. Now next sense organ, that's the nose. How do nose work then? We smell with our nose. The nerves inside the nose pick up the smell and convert it into the message and carry that message to the brain. Then the brain recognize the message and help us to know the smell of that particular object or thing. Next sense organ, that is tongue. So the tongue has taste buds. What is meant by taste buds? Tiny holes present on the tongue. So these taste buds sense different tastes, and the taste buds are connected to the nerves. When we place the food in our mouth, taste bud sense the taste and carry it to the brain, carry the message to the brain. Then brain recognize the message and help us to know the taste of the food. Now let's learn about the last sense organ, that's a skin. We often feel the things with the help of tips of our finger. The skin is richly supplied with nerves, and these nerves help us to sense pain, temperature, means how the object is cold or hot, and even feel things. So the skin is the largest external organ of the human body and also the sense organ. It acts as a waterproof covering. It protects the body against the temperature, harsh sunlight, harmful chemicals and germs also. As you understand the importance of our sense organs, now one by one we will see how to take care of each sense organ. So first of all we will see about eyes. Something falls in your eyes, what you will do? First of all you started to rub your eyes. So when something goes or falls in your eyes, do not rub your eyes but gently wash your eyes with the clean water. Second thing, when you use a computer or laptop, mobile or television, make sure that the screen of all the objects and your eyes should be in the same level. Okay. Then third thing is there, be careful while bursting the crackers. It may cause the injury or damage to the eyes. Then fourth thing, you try to be always eat vitamin A content food items, because vitamin A content food items keep your eyes healthy. Food items such as drumstick leaves, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, then papaya, ripe mangoes, etc. you try to be include in your diet. Then these all the food items help to keep your eyes healthy. Now second sense organ, that's ears. So how to take care of your ears? Students, to take care of your sense organ ear, always after the bath you try to wipe your ears with a clean cotton cloth. Then do not use some sharp objects to clean your ears, like matchsticks, or again what we can say, the pins, etc. And always stay away from the loud sounds, loud musics, or firecrackers, etc. because this may cause the damage to your ears. Now let's turn to the next sense organ, that's the nose. To keep your nose clean, use the clean handkerchief. Next sense organ, that's the tongue. So to take care of your tongue, as you are brushing twice in a day, early in the morning, at night before sleeping. So both time as you are brushing your teeth, after the brushing, you have to use a tongue cleaner to clean your tongue. And the last sense organ, that's the skin. So to take care of your skin, after the bath, wipe your body with a clean towel. And in a day, try to drink the more water. So drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. And with that, try to eat all the vegetables, fruits, pulses, milk, curd, tomatoes, etc. And try to get the morning sunlight to your skin. That is good for your skin. So this is a way you can take care of your all these sense organs properly. Okay. I hope so students, you understand this your 8th chapter nervous system properly. So now it's a homework time. So take your today's homework. Okay. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.